Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Harley-Davidson CVO ELECTRA Limited, with 14,773 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, electronic locking luggage, and has been upgraded with CFR mufflers, Clockworks windshield, 12-inch handlebars, and LED accent lighting. The ELECTRA is a paragon of the touring class thanks to its premium comfort, rugged power, and weather protection. The CVO variant features factory details and a striking paint set, adding artistic qualities to distinguish it from other ELECTRA models. Powered by a 117 cubic inch-feet twin motor, the ELECTRA puts 125 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 906 pounds and has a 27.7-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.